If you have an iPhone and maybe just a Windows PC, simply put, you don't have a MacBook whereby files can be easily airdropped from your iPhone down to your MacBook and also vice versa, and you're looking for a way whereby you can transfer files, most especially photos and videos from your iPhone to your Windows PC, then you're on the right video, because in this video I'll be showing you how to transfer those photos, those good captured photos and videos right from your iPhone down to your Windows PC as easy as ABC, without installing any app, without using any extra device, just your original iPhone charger, USB cord, and you'll definitely be needing a Type-C to USB converter, simply because we all know the original iPhone cord normally comes in the Type-C format. That's the one you connected to your to the charger brick. But in most cases, if your laptop, that's a Windows PC, have a Type-C input, then you can easily just connect it to your PC. But if it don't, then you'll be needing a Type-C to USB converter, just as you can see in this video. So like I said, an original USB cord, make sure it's original, because definitely if you use the fake, files might not transfer. Your Windows PC, you already have that, and a Type-C to USB converter. So having done that, if you have all this, now let's get started. Let me show you how you can do that as easy as ABC. But before we proceed, Chibuzo Agowa is my name, and of course Block Infotech is the name of this channel. I'm simply doing this in case you are coming across this channel for the first time. So what do we do here? We bring in tutorial as a technology related channel, and of course we bring in tutorials all from the technology world. So if it's a channel you would like to watch over and over again, all I simply implore you to do is to hit the subscribe button, and of course turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I put up my next video. Of course, like I said, it's entertaining. No, not really entertaining, it's educative, because you'll be learning one thing or more once you watch all my tutorial videos. And note, they're all related to technology, like I said. And of course, you're part of the family once you've done that. I'll give you a beer hug. Now, having done that, now let's move to the process whereby you can easily transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows PC by simply using a USB cable. So here is my Windows PC already turned on. As you can see, it's a HP laptop. Hey, I'm not doing any promotion, but also as you can see, I've connected the USB to the USB ports of the cable. Like I told you, I use a Type-C to USB converter to connect it to my laptop. And at the end, of course, you see is the lightning cable, which I'll be connecting to this very iPhone. Let me check if it's already turned on. Of course, it's turned on, as you can see. So once you've done that, the next thing you'll do is to simply hold on. You guys need to be patient, because I'm actually holding the camera with one hand of mine, and the other, yes, I'm using to connect. So now let's connect this. Hold on. Mistakenly press my keyboard. Okay, it's connected, and as you can see, the prompt has popped up on my PC. So let me just click on it to see this option. Of course, all I want to do is to open the device to view the files. I tapped on it. So, but hold on, note that it will not just come up. Now, all you have to do now is to move to your iPhone, and of course you also see this prompt. It said allow this device to access photos and videos. So this device will be able to access photos and videos while it is connected to your phone. Like I told you, using an original cable matters a lot. As you can see, once I just connected the cable to my laptop and also to my iPhone, this prompt automatically came on. But if you are using the fake cable, trust me, this won't work. So all you have to do now is to click on allow, and of course you have to include your password. Let me shift this a bit so that you guys will see my password. Of course, I've unlocked it and the face unlock is there, and now all I have to do is to refresh. No, not even refreshing, automatically it has been accepted. Now these are all the folders whereby your images. Let me see, there's a particular image I want to transfer, not this one. There's a particular image I'm looking for. Okay, yes, it seems it should be in this folder because this is the latest folder. So as you can see, this folder contains all my videos and images that I have on my iPhone, this very iPhone that you're seeing here. So now let me copy this. Let me copy this very image. It seems I took it, yes, just for the purpose of this video. All I have to do is copy then you right click, show for more options, and of course you paste. Then automatically, let me minimize this. As you can see, the image is now right here on my desktop PC. Let me open it up. As you can see, this is the image. Now let me show you the image still on this iPhone for you to confirm that yes, I did that just now. So let's go to photos, and this is the very image. This is the colored version. This is the very image I copied. As you can see, it's the same image on my iPhone and the same image I now have on my Windows PC. That's my laptop, and I did this by just using a USB cable, an original USB cable, which you can get elsewhere. I've disconnected it. So now you have to let me unplug it once I'm done, so you can see how easy it is for you to transfer files, especially photos and videos, from your iPhone down to your PC. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are confused in the area, don't forget to go to the comment section, ask a question, and of course I will answer you speedily. If you try it didn't work, come to the comment section and tell me the problem you faced, and of course I'll be giving you a solution. Don't forget to share this video to friends of yours that are facing these challenges and show them how they can easily solve it. So like the video, share it, just like I said. So we'll see you in the next one, or you can easily go to the playlist of this channel, watch other tutorial based video, then of course you learn one thing or two. So having turned on the next notification, the bell notification, we'll see in my next video. Bye bye for now.